Welcome to our giant fried chicken factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how fresh chicken is transformed into crispy, golden drumsticks.
Advanced automated cutting systems separate chicken into wings, thighs, breasts, and drumsticks with incredible precision. Special seasoning and marination processes help create the signature flavor and texture. Every batch is carefully inspected before distribution.
And that's how crispy drumsticks are made. From fresh chicken to golden fried perfection enjoyed by millions every day.